How to activate your Windows computer without having the activation code or key. Hello YouTubers, it's your boy again. Today I learned Mickey. Here today guys, I'm gonna be showing you a damn secret. A cool secret to activate your Windows computer without having the activation key. What? What did I just say? Did I say activation key? Yeah, guys, activating your Windows computer without having any activation key. So yeah, guys, look right down here on my screen, the right corner of my screen here, you'll see activate Windows. Go to Windows setting to activate Windows. Now, guys, I don't have the activation key. I don't have any prior key to use in this activation, but guys, today I'm gonna be showing you guys a cool way how to activate your Windows computer without having the activation key. Before we start, I would like to tell you guys that we are gonna be using one software. It's a cool software. As you can see on my screen, this is a software I'm installing already. So what's this software? Software is KMS Auto. KMSAuto.net zip is a software which helps you to activate your Windows computer without having the activation key. So guys, as you can see here, yeah, I've run the program, so I'm running the installation of the program. But first guys, if you want to install this program, there's one thing that must come up guys. If you open this file here, that's the downloaded file, you have to go and search on the website. I will keep the link of the website right down below this tutorial, below this video, at the description section. So if you open this folder, it's a zip file. If you open it guys, it will take you to, let's wait where it opens. I don't know why it's taking too long. Yeah, it will take you here to your zip, any unzipping software you have. As you see, this is a real file I want you to take note of, the password.txt. Password.txt. If you extract this folder, let me unzip to the current folder. Yeah, to the current folder. So okay, yeah, the folder is open guys. If you click on it, you will see this is the software, and this is a password. If you open this password folder file, if you open it, it will pop up this text. Say due to the latest Windows update, some version need to turn off Windows Defender to activate Defender or antivirus for installation process. And then if you come down, you're gonna see password. That is password. As you can see here, this is the activation code of this software. Activator 2020 is the activation code. So if you run the software, if you try to install the software, like as you can see, if you try to run it, you will see this will pop up. That's enter password. Enter password for encrypted file, as you can see. So you copy this password here, you copy it, I come and paste it inside here. All you need to do is to click OK, and the installation process will proceed. So I've already installed it, that's why I click cancel. So guys, after you install the software, let me close this. After you install the software guys, go straight, the software automatically run. This is the readme file of the software, as you can see. Additionally, the program activates Windows 8.1 single language, Windows 8.1 core, Windows 8.1, as you can see right downward. But guys, right here, what I have on my system is Windows 10. So let's get down to see if this program can activate Windows 10. it will actually. So if you click on activation, as you can see, this same program can activate Microsoft Office. I will show you on the next video that will be coming up, but we are going to be selecting the option activate Windows. As you can see, running. See down here, the system has a problem with activation. Running process. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, as you see, host auto host port. That. See, program is ready to work. Let's see how it goes. So let's exercise some patience here, guys. As you can see here, we are using auto right here. Let's see as it goes. Info Windows. Uh, yeah, guys, as you can see right now, it opens here. What we'll do is select on Windows as the information here. Click activation. Let's see what's the problem here. Yeah, as you can see, the process is running. Let's see as it goes, guys. The process is running. Key install successfully. Okay. uh as you can see, this is a pop on Microsoft.NET framework. Unhandled expectation has occurred in your application. If you click continue, the application will ignore this error and attempt to continue. If you click quit, the application will quit. So what's this problem? Let's see. Let's click on continue. But it shows here successful. Let's refresh our Windows computer and see. Okay, guys, let's read through this. Product status, Windows single large edition, product description, Windows operating system, volume, KMS client character. Okay, let's see. Channel, product key, partial product key, which is YTDFH, license status, notification reasons. Okay, MO hold machine. Alright, say expiration date, time expired, activation interval. Okay, 2 hours, 0 minute, renewable, 7 days. Okay, let's try it. As you can see, it is still showing running up here. We show window activation. Click this button. Let's run it again and see what it goes. Okay, so guys, let's give some time. Okay, guys, I'll be closing it for now. When it gets done, I'll come back and show you guys. So See you when again. Yeah, welcome back, guys. As you can see right now, our software have been activated. That's our Windows computers have been activated. I mean, our Windows computer have been activated. If you take, if you follow my mouse down here, guys, this is where, this is exactly point where it was showing activate Windows. Actually, right now we can see nothing there, guys. So right now our window have been activated. So if we go straight to our software here, as you can see right here in our software, if you see down here, you will see your system is activated right here. So guys, exactly, your system has been activated. What was the trick, guys? After you have run KMOS Auto Net, guys, the next you do is come direct to activate window. As you are at activate window, when it has shown successfully, that successfully install key, the next thing you have to do is restart your computer. If you restart your computer, it may take a while, that may take a while to reboot and come on stably, and when it comes, that's the simple magic, your computer will be activated. Thank you, guys. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up for it, and please, guys, if this is your first time on this channel, please leave a subscription. Your subscription matters because it will give us good good motivation to be giving you guys more computer basic and more technology stuffs on this channel. And this channel also have many things to roll, like programming, web designing, and the rest, guys. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up, and also a comment down below. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next on the next video, which I'll be showing you guys how to activate Microsoft Office using the same KMOX Auto. See you guys. Please leave the subscription. It's your boy again, Alan Mickey. Thank you.